The A1 Digital IoT Center is a booster for the development of every IoT project. Most problems when developing an IoT solution comes from the time-consuming task of selecting a cloud platform, selecting connectivity, selecting the proper hardware for a product. You need to select the right transmission mechanisms, whether it's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular connectivity. This requires a lot of knowledge in different areas, and this requires a lot of time and people who are involved in the whole process of selecting that stuff. We launched the A1 Digital IoT Center to remove the complexity of selecting different products. For example, when it comes to hardware, we are offering the A1 Digital IoT Enabler Kit that comes with NRF 9160 development kit from Nordic Semiconductors and with A1 Digital's connectivity. We chose the NRF 9160 because it's a multi-purpose system in package. It's designed for low-power cellular IoT. It features an LTE Cat-M modem. It features narrowband IoT. And it comes with an integrated ARM Cortex M33 processor for running user applications. There are also variants available on the market that have an integrated GPS receiver, so developers can build up a true single-chip solution if they want to. Nordic Semiconductors offers, along with its microcontrollers and system in packages, also an extensive software development kit, and this consists of a real-time operating system that is open source. It consists of built-in libraries, and it consists of a lot of examples. And this is important if you want to develop application based on something that is already there. But hardware alone isn't sufficient. We learned about backend platform, we learned about hardware. You also need connectivity. So we also put an A1 digital SIM card inside the IoT Enabler Kit that is enabled for narrowband IoT and the LTE Cat-M1. It comes pre-charged with enough data volume to cover the typical needs of an IoT application. The question now is, how do you put everything together? And the answer to that is by using standards. We're relying on Lightweight M2M as a standardized protocol to transmit data between the device and the cloud platform. By using a standardized protocol, you are making sure that you can instantly transmit data and receive commands from the backend platform. It also enables a developer to immediately make use of the nice features that narrowband IoT is offering, like, for example, power saving mode or EDRX. This is compatible with the standards. Other people already thought about what is needed and what is necessary of the underlying protocol. So it's a good choice to use something that is already proven in use. Once you have this package in your hands, it's easy to get started. You just need to insert the SIM card, flash the development kit with a pre-integrated demo application that we provide on our website, and register the device on the platform, and that's it. Once you connect it, it will immediately send data to the platform, and you can start your tests and evaluate the platform, but also the hardware device.